morning students. We are going to take up the topic reproduction in plants. We all know what is reproduction. It is one of the most important characteristics of living things. All the living things, including the plants and the animals, they reproduce to produce the offsprings or the new individuals of the same kind. Reproduction in plants can be asexual or sexual mode, by the asexual mode or by the sexual mode. Today we are going to take up the sexual mode of reproduction in plants. Plants have vegetative parts which are roots, stem and leaves, and the flowers which are called the reproductive parts of the plants. So, sexual reproduction takes place by the formation of seeds through the flowers. Flowers are the reproductive parts of the plants. In sexual reproduction, male and female parts of the flower are included. In class 6, we have already studied what are the male parts. The male parts are stamen, which is made up of filament and anther. The female part is pistil, which is made up of stigma, style and ovary. In the anther, pollen grains are present which produce the male gametes. The pollen produce the male gametes. In the female part, in the ovary, there are ovules which make the female gametes, and the fusion of male and female gamete results in the production of zygote. Now, when we come to the structure of flower, we have already studied the structure of flower. The male part is stamen and the female part is pistil. The flowers are categorized as unisexual flowers and bisexual flowers. Unisexual flower means when the flower contains either the male part or the female part, it is called unisexual flower. And when the flowers contain both male and female reproductive parts, they are called bisexual. Unisexual means either male or female. Bisexual means both male and female. Now, what is fertilization? The fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization, which results in the formation of zygote, and the zygote further develops into embryo. This embryo is contained in the ovules which form seeds. The ovary part develops into the root. So, the flowers develop into fruits. Sexual reproduction, once again we will summarize. Sexual reproduction takes place in the plants through the reproductive part of the plant, that is flowers, with the production of the seeds. Seeds are sown in the soil which give birth to the new plant. The male part is stamen, the female part is pistil. The stamen is made up of filament and anther. In the anther, pollen grains are present which produce the male gametes.